And of course, that snow and sleet creed is still with us. It's now entering just over 2 weeks. 2 weeks yesterday that storm on the 24th and 25th left us with this. Yes, it has been hard to chisel out. Each day's gotten a little bit better, but what would be more important is to get temperatures that are more conducive to some melting. But there was another frigid start this morning from Kenneth Johnston in Afton. And how about a brisk morning swim? Margaret Johnson and Stanton captured Gypsy Old Park and some of the Canada geese out there on the pond. Temperature this afternoon of 37. We're currently at 36. Certainly more clouds have rolled in throughout the course of the afternoon. It'll still be cold tonight, just not quite as frigid. If these clouds hang around, we won't drop as cold, but 34, the current number at the Valley Airport there in Weir's Cave, 35 the high, 0 this morning was the low. So those frigid lows are behind us. However, it's still going to be cold here tonight with numbers, most of us in the 20s. Right now, we've got low to mid 30s across much of the region. You can see the clouds as they've rolled in throughout the course of the afternoon. Of course, more clouds act as a bit of a blanket. It kind of caps the temperature fall, but we're still expecting numbers at least in the mid to possibly lower 20s by early Tuesday morning. Now, we really see temperatures jump tomorrow. It will be the warmest day of the week, expecting temperatures in the 50s. A warm front will come through mid to late morning, early afternoon. It may put on the brakes across the northern Piedmont, but still above average. But we could have numbers that range anywhere from the low 50s to upper 50s to near 60 tomorrow across the region. That will feel remarkable in comparison to where we've been recently. And of course, temperatures will fluctuate the next several days. We'll have a dry front come through on Wednesday morning. That'll kick up the wind. And then Thursday will likely hold numbers in the 40s. Right now for Central Virginia, our average daytime high is 50. Our average overnight low is 30. We're a far cry from that. So again, you can see the clouds here. We have a warm front that's off to our south and west. You see temperatures that are much warmer in that direction. So that will translate with some warmer numbers for us tomorrow, above average temperatures. So here we are in the morning as we start temperatures in the 20s, and then southerly winds tomorrow, sunshine, mid 50s to near 60. And then as that front comes through, that'll knock temperatures back down for Wednesday. But Wednesday morning will start above freezing, 35 to around 40. Wednesday afternoon, most of us upper 40s to low 50s. Now, let's talk about the weekend. The next storm that we're really going to watch will be generally on Sunday. Now, it's still early yet, but the air mass that will be in place preceding this will not be as frigid as what we dealt with last weekend, or really how cold it's been recently. But at the onset, there may be a little bit of wintry mix before it goes to rain. This is the European model depiction showing again a storm track that will be generally off to our west. The American GFS model was showing a bit more wintry precipitation at the onset. Now it's showing a little bit less, but right now trending more wet than white and ice, but we could certainly start with a wintry mix when that begins. We'll follow it over the next several days. Tonight it's cold, but not as frigid. We're in the 20s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Temperatures are much nicer to take than the harsh conditions certainly we saw over the weekend, and we've seen recently. Temperatures right now will fluctuate in the 50s and 40s. Right now, Valentine's Day looks good. We'll watch Sunday over the next several days.
All right, Eric, thank you.